Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install an Oracle 11g-R2 database on a Windows 7 64-bit machine. I'm going to start by searching for the installation files. This link over here will take you to Oracle's website. Accept the license agreement and download the software package pertinent to your particular platform. I'm going to select this version over here since I'm installing the database on a Windows 64-bit machine. Once you have both the zip files downloaded, begin by extracting the first file. Now once you're done with that, extract the second zip file in the same folder that you used to extract the first zip file. Now that you have both the files extracted, you should see a folder called Database. This folder contains the installer. And I'm going to right-click on the setup file and run it as administrator. This begins the installation process. And I'm going to uncheck this option over here and click Next. I'm going to leave the default selection over here. Now you can choose either of these two options depending on the type of installation that you want. I'm going to go with the default desktop class selection. Over here I'm going to select the folder where I want to install the database. I'm going to leave the database edition to Enterprise Edition. You can choose whatever database name you want. I'm going to use EXA over here. And then type in a password over here. Make a note of this password as this will be the system password for this database. This screen gives you all the installation information and you can save it by clicking on this button over here. Click Finish. And now this is going to take a while. Alright, we are done with the installation. Now I'm going to try connecting to the database via SQL Developer. I'm going to enter all the database information over here and then click Test. And here you go. Thanks for watching this video.